Human activities constitute a major threat to the environment, particularly the pollution by plastic debris. It is a negative human impact combined with poor education and lack of understanding when individuals are placing rubbish in the incorrect bin. As a result from plastics being discarded by humans, they are heavily affecting the marine environment and decreasing biodiversity more than ever before. The bottled water industry is currently booming in Australia. 100 marine species are known to be affected by plastic pollution. 583 million is the staggering number of plastic bottles produced by Australians every year. So many of these end up in landfill, littering our beaches, streets, and oceans. Lastly, 99% of the world's seabirds will have ingested some form of plastic by 2050. Plastic is so deadly that marine animals such as turtles mistake plastic for jellyfish and choke on the bags and straws that are left polluting the sea. Land pollution is also a contributing factor to destroying our wildlife as well as deteriorating our planet. Hungry animals that are desperate for leftover food and crumbs tend to get their heads stuck in disposed cans, containers, and jars. It is the wasteful consumption, choices at the supermarket, and inadequacies of our recovery and recycling systems, alongside the Australian government and their recent announcement that all domestic waste exports will be banned. It only means that the responsibility is now in the hands of Australians. Today, many individuals are playing their part, like choosing a plastic-free product, using reusable bags, recycling scraps, or saying no to disposable plastic. Supermarkets are also no longer giving out plastic bags, and some stores have taken the eco-friendly approach by attempting to create a zero-waste space. Despite that this is on the pathway to making a positive impact, it is still not enough. Society needs to advocate even further, and the government needs to take accountability and help end this pollution crisis. The more people that are educated and making active decisions, the more efficient and effective individuals are making a difference to the environment and our planet.
We've come up with a solution to this problem, but we need your help. Who are we? We are Plastic Monster, an innovative and incentive movement to reduce and recycle our plastic waste in order to save our planet one piece of plastic at a time. With the ever-changing advances in technology and to aid the issue, we present our two idealistic solutions in an attempt to combat these problems. Taking advantage of new mechanics and incorporating this into the use of rubbish bins. Every time you throw your plastic rubbish in our bins, you save just as much as we do. By responsibly disposing of your rubbish, you are rewarded. Benefit the environment while benefiting yourself. We use single-use plastic in our everyday lives. Plastic bags, bottles, aluminium, containers, paper and cardboard are always around. While it seems that we will be unable to eliminate all plastic use within the near future, it does seem more plausible that society as a whole can significantly reduce the use of plastic and the rubbish that we do consume. We can ensure rubbish goes to the correct bins and does not end up in landfill or the ocean. Here's what you need to know about why we created our first solution.
Many people hold the best interest to contribute to the care of the environment, but struggle to do so when they are not educated enough. This will no longer be a problem with the technology of Plastic Monster, an intelligent bin connected to an app that will help educate Australians on what type of plastic can be recycled or not. The system will be able to detect the type of rubbish that is entering the bin by scanning the exterior of the product as it plays inside by the user. With the help of advanced technology, the bin will react with a noise when an individual is incorrectly using the bin. This will help guide the user to make informed decisions to recycle items correctly the next time around. To help aid this issue, those trucks that are collecting the rubbish from the bin will separate what is recyclable or not to ensure that the mixing of plastic is prevented. When the garbage is eradicated, it will be cross-checked by an employee of the company to ensure that the items are correctly disposed of. Where possible, we repurpose the plastic we collect, and this contributes to the production of our eco-friendly items. These bins will be distributed all over the city and are easy to identify because of the bright color and comical logo that the bin is represented by.
Plastic Monster is an easily accessible app that is simple and an extension of the Plastic Monster bins. It allows you to scan the QR code of item, which provides users with an insight to whether the item is recyclable or not. Within this technology, users can also locate the nearest bin to their current locations, providing the ultimate convenience. There will be a loyalty system set in place, meaning once users have accumulated enough points, small items can be redeemable as a reward for successfully recycling and using the correct bins. On the apps, there will be a list of rewards that users can select from, such as a free coffee or even an eco-friendly products like a reusable water bottle, tote bag, keep cups or metal straw. The apps will also have an information tab whereby users can read and understand Australia's plastic issue.
By using and implementing these two solutions, being the Plastic Monster Bin and Plastic Monster app, people will be able to see a significant change within our world. Through this, people will be educated enough to dispose rubbish correctly and make active decisions when it comes to recycling. Choose Plastic Monster and let's begin our recycling revolution today.